Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make spicy red sauce pasta. First, let's get organized. You'll want to gather all your ingredients, including fresh, ripe tomatoes, garlic, and your favorite pasta. Make sure to have some good quality olive oil and plenty of chili flakes on hand. This preparation step is crucial for a smooth cooking process, ensuring everything is within reach when you need it. Now, let's build that incredible flavor base. Start by gently sautéing minced garlic in a good amount of olive oil over medium heat until it's wonderfully fragrant. This is where the magic begins. Next, toss in a generous pinch of red chili flakes to kick up the spice. A quick deglaze with a splash of white wine or vegetable broth will lift all those delicious bits from the pan. With our flavor base established, it's time to introduce the star, the tomatoes. Pour in your crushed tomatoes, adding a bay leaf for extra depth. Season generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and just a touch of sugar to balance the acidity. Allow this beautiful sauce to simmer gently for at least 20 minutes, letting all those flavors meld together perfectly. Finally, the moment we've been waiting for. Drain your al dente pasta and toss it directly into the simmering red sauce. Add a ladle of the starchy pasta water. This helps to emulsify the sauce, making it cling beautifully to every strand. Give it a good stir, then serve immediately. Garnish with fresh basil and a generous sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese for the perfect finish.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.